Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to get so many 3D avatar, 3D actors, human actors into Blender 5, and everything will just set up in 1 minute. Everything will just ready for your 3D animations. Just included the full skeletons, full bones, and also the facial expression morph. Everything just get from the ActorCore. You can just go to my video description. I already put the link in my video description, direct link into the ActorCore website, and you can see in Blender everything included the facial expression morph are ready for you to just make any of the lip sync and facial expression 3D animation, included the full body and also the full body skeleton. Right, I'm going to show you all this step by step, and let's go. Alright, first you can just go to my video description, click into the first link, the ActorCore official link. This is the ActorCore official link. Next, go to the actor. From here, you can get any of the actor from here with a really cheap price, and then finally, you can just get it, purchase, and download it. It is already ready for your Blender's 3D animations. So I'm going to show you. Once you already purchased from here, you can just move your mouse cursor to here, go to the inventory, and all of these are the 3D avatar that you already purchased. Then click just download the target application, choose Blender, and then you need to make sure you include the facial blend shape. This is very important, and also embed the texture. Then the maximum texture size, you can just choose 2048. It's well enough. Then click download. Now it is preparing for download. Just wait for a few seconds. Right now, I can just download it on my desktop. I choose the desktop. The file name, I'm going to just name this as avatar01. I click save. Start download. Now check for my desktop. It is a zip folder. I just right click to extract it and check the folder. Under the actor folder, it already exists as an FBX file. I'm going to open my Blender and have a try, have a test, and I'm going to show you everything. It is ready. Now I click the empty area, click one more time the empty area, and just press A and press delete to delete everything from here. Next, just drag in the FBX, drag and drop into here. Click import FBX, and now we can have a check. Click here to just turn on the material texture. You can see everything already set up properly, but you can see the roughness, the reflections. It is quite a lot. So I click here, the roughness, I just drag it to just drag it near to 0.7. Everything will just look fine. And now I'm going to just test the facial expression morph. Click the facial expression morph. Click here, the shape keys. You can see the shape keys are here. So all of these are the shape keys that are ready for your 3D animations, so that later you can just bind it with your lip sync. If you know how to just make the facial expression lip sync in your Blender. And now we are going to test the skeleton. Just click and click here. Under the skeleton viewport display, I change it to stick. So now I'm going to just test the eyes. Go to the pose mode, just select this and try to rotate the eyeball and see. Wow, so everything okay. And now I'm going to just try the body, not this. Another one. Alright. So what about the hand? Not this. One more. Yeah. Alright, done. And also the fingers, the legs. So now you can see this is a full skeleton with the complete facial expression, the lip sync, mouth talking animation, full expressions, and the shape key. It is ready for your 3D animation. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to just import any of the ActorCore 3D avatar. There are really a lot into your Blender 5 3D animation software and make it ready for your 3D animations. You can just go to the ActorCore just by using the link in my video description, and you can get any one of them. If you need any of the actors, any of the 3D avatar for your 3D animation, you can just get it from here. It is really easy, although you need to pay some money, but everything is ready and ready for you to just directly make a 3D animation. Right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will just post a lot of the 3D animations, 3D game developing related tutorials for you. See you in my next video. See you.